In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover deleted Instagram posts. Okay, so I'm just going to open up Instagram, and to do this now, since Instagram likes to update everything and change things around, you might not be able to find this option anymore. So I'll show you a quick way that you can recover your deleted Instagram photos. So if I just tap on my profile icon at the bottom right hand corner, then I tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top right hand corner. From here, I just need to tap on settings, and you don't have to go any further from here. We're going to make use of the search bar at the top. So I'm going to tap on the search bar, and I'm just going to type recently. So I just typed RECE, basically recently deleted, and then the option pops up there. You can tap on recently deleted, and this will allow you to undelete your recently deleted content that you did on Instagram. So I don't have anything because I didn't delete anything recently, but that's a quick way to find that feature again if you were having trouble trying to find it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.